Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Glen Burnie. Local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring long-distance movers in Glen Burnie doesn't have to be a struggle. At 3 Movers, we take great pride in our reputation for excellence and providing a smooth, hassle-free, easy, long-distance moving experience. We've been in business for years and can handle long-distance moves of any type, size, or distance. We even offer full-service moving, where we'll pack up your stuff in Glen Burnie, then unpack it after we unload it in your new home. This makes the process even faster and easier for you and your family. If you've got a busy schedule and don't want to bother with handling your own local move in Glen Burnie, you shouldn't have to. 3 Movers offers great rates, reliable movers, and the best customer service in the area. Get a quote online to get started right away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glen Burnie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.